down there on this Nissan, we got an exhaust leak. And it was because it's been cut twice. Once there and once there. Now, we would usually just replace that Y pipe that heads up there. It connects to both of the front catalytic converters, and here's the rear catalytic converter. But actually, the main issue is cost. So, total exhaust replacement was well over $2,000. To cut and weld in a piece of pipe, five something. I don't know. I got the breakdown of what they said. So, here goes nothing. We're just going to give it a try because actually everything else is good. But we're going to take this. This section coming off here is a 3-inch pipe. So we got the 3-inch pipe with the lip with the 3-inch clamps. And then we got this troublesome part we're just going to get rid of, obviously. So we'll cut this out. But then you come up here, this is a 2.5 pipe. So we're going to need a reducer. I don't know. Could work. We'll see. First thing we do, we got to cut it off. Now that little chunk's off. I know it's not the best cut. Don't sit there and make fun of me. This is all about saving money. So I'm going to take this, fit this on here like so. And now we know this one's going to go probably right around here. So we're going to need this probably right around here, I want to say. And we're just going to need to line this up because this really want to go to the base. And there's that. Now, unfortunately, we got to cut this. And I can't use a Sawzall, so we're going to have to use something else. Anyways, yeah, that's perfect right there. Take that off. Yeah, that'll be perfect. We're going to get some exhaust pliers because in order to get this all put together, we're probably going to have to drop this, kind of angle it up, insert it. We'll get there when we get there. Got that cut, pretty much where I need it. I'm going to get it and I'm just going to take that one thing again and just clean it up, get rid of all the burrs and all the ugly parts. Alright, so let's try this. This is going to go on here. We know this is going to fit inside here. Okay. There we go. So we know this is how it's all going to fit together. Like so. Look at that. Perfect little piece. Just want to double check, make sure it's in far enough. So say if it goes like this, let me see. I'm just going to mark it right here. Yeah, it's far enough. You just want to make sure it's in this coupler far enough, and then because this one's on as far as it'll go. That's all in. That's pretty much there. Come on, there we go. Because I'm gonna raise up this exhaust, which would make it level, and that'll be perfect. All right, let's do this. That part is what it is. All right, so what I want to do right now is I want to take this. I've got some of this muffler sealer. Get rid of that real quick. We're going to put a pretty thick bead. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Pretty thick bead. Now let's slide this on like so. Again, I don't know if this stuff works, but we'll just use it anyways. It's like RTV for exhaust, Permatex. Slide this over. Here's the 2.5 one. Now you want to aim it away from the drive shaft. If you have an all-wheel drive, all right, so the reason I cut right there is because I had a little anger fit. So anyways, get down to it. This nice thick bar right here is a Walker, really high quality exhaust clamp. And then I ordered these off of Amazon because I couldn't get them in time. This thing is cheap Chinese garbage. It ended up looking like this. When pressure was applied to it, it just snapped right off. Absolute garbage. So I had to go out and wait for the store to get them, and they couldn't get them for like 6 hours. So I am back at it. So that's why I cut right there, is because Nothing was really lining up and working, and that's why. Why make a 3-inch exhaust clamp with that paper thin, plasticky steel? I don't even know if it's steel. It's so thin. Anyway, so that's where we're at now. So I'm gonna put this back right here, and even these brackets right here are just so much more tougher. And let's see here. Let's go right there. And these nice bolts with the built-in washers already. Yes, spend the extra dollars, get the Walker ones. Yeah, don't buy the cheap ones. Like I said, I only did it because I honestly just couldn't get it in time. I mean, that was it. I just had to get them here fast, and they're the only ones I can have the next day. But all right, so get this started. Now you want to aim them. I'm aiming them away from the drive shaft. It's usually they're all 14 millimeters. Hopefully this is a different brand, so hopefully that's the same. But anyways, now you just come here, just get them snug like that. Oh, there we go, much better. So anyways, just tighten them up. I can't see anything. All right, started up and checked it. I'm gonna end this video right now because that leak is completely, there's no air, nothing leaking out of there. Sprayed it with some soapy water, no bubbles. Also did, you know, I was underneath there while I was running, just trying to run my hand around it before it got too hot, and dead silent now. So that's awesome, great fix. We got a rear catalytic converter on the back side of the motor. That one's gonna be next. But as far as that, you know, we just saved them. I think that one white pipe was like $500 or $600 just for the white pipe itself, and because it's still in decent shape. So off to the next repair.